We are told to find the coordinates of the point on the x-axis that is equidistant from negative 4, 3 and 8, 2. So the distance from the 2 points will be the same. So I'm going to use my distance formula. So make sure you remember your distance formula. And if you do not know, please take a moment to review that. But I'm going to be using the distance formula. And here, we do not know the value of the other point. We're trying to find that value. So for the parts that I don't know, I'm plugging in x and then y. But we're told that this other point that we don't know is going to be on the x-axis. So what that means is that the y value is going to be 0. So here, if I take a look at this right or the left side over here, it's going to be x, and then you subtract the x value, so it's going to be x minus, and then it's negative 4, so x plus 4 squared, and then plus, you're going to have 0 minus this 3, and that's going to be squared. So here, actually, he has it as a positive 3, but you're squaring it, so it's going to make it a positive value anyway. It doesn't make a difference. So 3 squared or negative 3 squared will give you the same answer. And then for the right side, for the second distance, we're using a second point, 8, 2. And so we don't know x, so we're plugging in an x for that one value. And then it's going to be minus the other x value, which is 8. So x minus 8. And then once again, y is also going to be 0. So 0 minus this 2 squared, which will be 4. So the part underneath the radical will be the same. So this x plus 4 squared plus 3 squared will equal x minus 8 squared plus 2 squared. I can ignore the radicals, or I can also think of it as squaring both sides. Either way, get the same answer. So inside of the left radical, I can square the x plus 4 squared. I'm going to get x squared plus 8x plus 16. 3 squared is 9, so write that. And then x minus 8 squared would give you x squared minus 16x plus 64 plus 2 squared, which is 4. So now I just solve this. So I subtract x squared from both sides. Those are going to cancel. 16 plus 9 is 25. And then I have 64 plus 4 gives you 68. So from here I just solve this. Add 16x to both sides, get 24x equals 43. We get 43 by subtracting 25 from both sides. And then divide both sides by 24. I'm going to get x equals 43 over 24. So that's my x value. Y we set is 0 because it's on the x-axis. So your point would be 43 over 24 and 0.